My simple quesadilla. All the ingredients is beef, bell pepper, tomato, onion, jalapeno, mozzarella cheese, tortillas. Procedures. Chop the bell pepper, onion, tomato, and jalapeno. Saute garlic and onion. Put the beef and jalapeno. Put sweet paprika, salt, and pepper to taste. And set aside. Saute the tomato, onion, bell pepper, and set aside. In a frying pan, put the tortilla, put mozzarella cheese, and put all the ingredients a little in the tortillas, and make the tortilla half lengthwise, and fry it in the other side, after then the other half side, and that's it. It's done. My simple homemade quesadillas. Let's try and eat. Enjoy!